Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Our running chapter is smart tables. Smart tables. Already we learned two problems from textbook. Today we are going to learn one more problem from the textbook, that is page number 37. Page number 37. Pulse polio immunization campaign. Pulse polio immunization campaign. Pulse polio drops are being given to children below the age of 5 years in Abbapur Revenue Village. The village is a big one with 4 habitations. Since there are many children, the health worker decided that he would make this phase in her record for every 3 children. Yes, here given one face value equal to 3 children. Three children. She immunized. She has recorded the particular in the following table. Your table also given. Habitation, number of children, given, folio, drafts. Number of children. First one is Abbapur. Abbapur. Second village is Banalapalli. Third one is Sriramlapalli. Last one is Ramachandrunipalli. See here, Abbapur, 3 faces are there. Banalapalli, 5 faces. Sriramlapalli, 6 faces. Ramachandrunipalli, only 2 faces. Now the question is number of children. We have to fill the number of children per given clue. Your clue is 1 face is equal to 3 children. In Abbapur, how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 threes are 9 children. In Banarapalli, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 threes are 15. Tiramlapalli, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 threes are 18. Next, Ramachandranpalli, only 2 faces are there. 2 threes are 6. Now total strength. How many children have been given pulse polio drops in the entire village? See, we want this total. 15, 18, 9, 6. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Total 48 children. 48 children have been given pulse polio drops in the entire village. This is a solution for pulse polio immunization campaigning, that is in page number 37. We are given only box asking number of children. In this question, we have to find number of children have been given pulse polio drops in the entire village. We are given clue also. One face is equal to 3 children. Now question number, how many students are there in the school? That is in page number 38. Now one more question is there, page number 38. How many students are there in the school? How many students are there in the school? That is page number 38. Page number 38. How many students are there in the school? Yes. The class-wise strength of Kasim Devpet Primary School is given below in the table. The class-wise strength of Kasim Devpet Primary School is given below in the table. Here given clue also. One figure is equal to 5 students. 5 students. Here classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, number of students in each class, number of students. Number of students Classes are class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, and class 5. In class 1, only 2 figures. In class 2, 5 figures. In class 3, 4 figures. In class 4, 7 figures. In class 5, again 4 figures. See, they are given clue, one figure is equal to 5 students. In class 1, how many figures are there? Only 2 figures. 2 5s are 10. In class 2, total figures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. In class 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. In class 4, 7 figures. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5s are 35. And final class, that is 5. 5. How many figures are there? 4 figures. 4 5s are 20. Now your question, how many students are there in the school? Means total. Your question, how many students are there in the school? 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 10. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 10. Here 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. Or 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. Yes. Number of students are there in the school 110. Number of students are 110 in Kasindevpet Primary School. That question, only one question is there. How many students are there in the school? Number of students are there in the school 110. Number of students are in the school 110. This is the answer. Now, same page, one more question is there, that is try this. Ramaya maize production. Ramaya maize production. Page number 38. Same page, try this question. Try this. Ramaya's maize production. Page number 38. Ramaya's mage production. If one figure was to represent 10 students, no, here, see this, Ramaya's mage production. Ramaya grows maize in his field. He recorded the maize production over the 5 years as given below. Ramaya grows maize in his field. He recorded the maize production over the 5 years as given below. One box is equal to 40 kg of maize. So, one box is equal to 40 kgs of maize. Here the chart is 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. In 2008, only 2 boxes. In 2009, 3 boxes. In 2010, 5 boxes. In 2011, 7 boxes. In 2012, 7 boxes. Now the questions are in page number 39. Read the box chart and give 3 conclusions about Ramaya's marriage production. In page number 39, read the box chart and give 3 conclusions about Ramaya's marriage production. First, we find the values. In 2008, 2 boxes are there. What is the value of every box? 40. Yes. 2 boxes, 2 40s, 80 kg. In 2003 boxes, each box is 40, 3 40s, 120 kgs. 2010, there are 5 boxes, 5 into 40, 200, 200 kgs. In 2011, there are 7 boxes, 7 40s, 280, 280 kgs of maize. In 2012, there are 7 boxes, 7 40s, 280. Yes, depending on this chart, we write 3 conclusions about Ramaya's maize production. That is page number 39. 39. First one, 3 conclusion. First one, In 2000, the maize production was less. Here, this is the less, and this is the more. Less. First conclusion, in 2008, the maize production was less. The maize production was less. In second conclusion, what do you observe from this chart? In 2011 and 12, the maize production was same. In 2011 and 12, the maize production was same. Now, third conclusion from the chart, what do you observe? In 2012, production was increased by how much increased? 3.5. In 2012, production was increased. In 2011 and 12, the production was increased. Yes. These are writing page number 39. Read the box chart and give 3 conclusions about Ramaya maize production. That is first one. In 2008, the maize production was less. This is the less. In 2011 and 12, the maize production was same. Both are equal in their values. That is 280 kgs, 280 kgs. In the third conclusion, in 2011 and 12, the production was increasing. See, year to year increasing. This is the Ramaya's maize production. That is page number. The chart is in page number 38. We read the answers in page number 39. That is in textbook only. Okay, this is our today topic, students. Tomorrow we will learn that is that sales of motorcycle in that page number 39. Okay, children. Goodbye, everyone.